I need thee every hour, most gracious Lord. No tender voice like thine can peace.
Radiasum J and Kayin in Arabium, and Kwa the Abdomayen, and Che Yesubeba, other four and Che Yesubebo. And your men in idea dance say Yesuba. Tisabri obi tofu. Said Pribuyasini Amunioma. Catcher say a better age. A breedy Yesuba. Young fire and dine Mua Quantan Cherno. Young fire cast and Mua Quantan Cherno. Young fire Japadia yet to me accumulate and Mua Quantan Cherno. Nemo Bisa say. Dear Madam Man, what do you think? Jesus is coming to visit us. All bad in Yinano, on the ever two said it, but on the action or the alcohol. I was right, other for him one pie, Jack Crom. When you must say, Shano or Pumamoto, I want to be who were ready. I rather back my for frame to my end, yet to men whom, nay, dear Chimo, right, yes, with demonty. Amen. In the other four, say yes to Besrawa or Quenny Jimu. A soft war, a sorry penny, a Busua penny, a jack. Say yes to Besrawa. Then no bill, young call Bible man. Luke chapter 19, verse number 41. The best sunny. Verse number 44 no other for enti Awurade asem na obani no ohwekro no isui woso se Yesu bani no obey oman Jerusalem ya kro ni da ho kama afahye bere adu o wo hwe se ne ankwaye aye green na wo hwe se ne amanfo abo wo tent na afahye adu na busuya aye get together ni yedi afahye yedi twam afahye odofo na ankura wo mani agye ahohu wo mu asrafu wo mu esikafo aba eyisafo aba odofo amanfo ani agye edi twam afahye nanso anka twam afahye nso de na ye aye asrafhwebre a obi asiesie no ho epe baby because Israel ma catch on some sham mpaboa na munsiesie mo ho efisa de chimpe mu fukro mu a na so ara ho sam say they have misinterpreted the Passover and the twamu gan na kasa ba no o ma hu no ti Yesu bani no Bible say osui was so say 42 no say won so anka enne wunim Nia efa asumdwe hu a nanso afei wodi ehintawo agirifo se ne Yesu besra memeda kwa hwefo a se ne Yesu besra presbyfo a ene Yesu besra catholic fo a ene Yesu besra emianom ensori e wo wiase a ena so obesu anaso obesre ene asori adane fanfare and then I sorry Adani me who said ye meka Kaipa said that because I sorry be we do one almost say an idea traditional day ye traditional day that's a traditional day na ye can say yakono sabio what you dress na ebi mu dress ya e kade ba ko pe I can say I give me the appetition. Beba sorry them. Cause we share the dressing, not dressing now. Because you say moya, we need. And that's for not to be a And then yan ka asempa awurade di asempa ma yen. William Miller no mu bo asempa no dawuro. John House mu du bo asempa no dawuro. Matthew mu boye, Petro mu boye, FM mu wuye. And then yan ka yade no kredi ama yen no. Mi bisa wasafo. Je onyankopon ni mpa no kuremu. Omeda wi aben na wokọ afie nya mesem ka. Sofo asori penny. And then the church have turned to church board meetings. Your point na we shia. Yanka ye nim asumdwe. Yanka ye nim kwampa. Yanka nim se dia sempa ne beko abowiase dawuru no. And then the church have turned to theater. Yesu bani no osunye. And asafo no. So Yesu sra yenya so nani beje. Tenti if you say yanka ye nimu no kure no. And then Sunday Bible studies come. And then asafo, the population is 1,000. Sunday Bible studies you won't get 50. And the church I want to 50 a day. Now me and Pata Sunday no ba to Neolithic Bible. Impo Neolithic Bible studies ni impo dana apa say ye dey adusua hye nem sa. Me odofo bisa ho me so ni bisa me ho. In time like this everybody say twemu brimo a Israel ma eba be free Misraim akọ Canaan. Every ayaba be free boni wiase mu akọ su Canaan ni mu mo no. Enanya me fie hwede ekọ. And then you are suffering, shady call. And then you do a saw them at to asa, I can see. At to any jedi, I can see. Jesus Christ is coming again. Jesus Christ is coming to visit his church. Therefore, na moment you say, na enebi ibeba was so what time for betcha wo eka. Na we twa wo konton kron. Na kwakawo ashemu bebiara enebi ni bebiaro ameka se bi chiro ene COVID-19 akame no washem ene COVID-19 akame no washem ene asoro kura be yeso kwasoro 1 hour ene yeso kwasoro 1 hour ene hwe measures COVID-19 dia beto ho e dia mame no time man yetumi kwasoro 6 to 6 Sata mo kwa akwa yede. Time na atwa se ya dusua no waja akwakoda. Ene COVID-19. We twa me no konton Croatia. Ya foforo ba. Already say ho. Ya foforo na mo frama mu ban COVID-19 is comedies. Bibi anu majini fo. O se na ebetwa wo konton Croatia. Na wo be dwiri wo. Ne wo emma a wo mu no agu fam. Na worry nya umu obo so if you say well who bring wo behwehwe wo no every in time like this every atwa se onyame besra wo every atwa se wusua Bible every atwa se wusua ko practice na wusua no no wanko sua Bible wanko every atwa se ko kasempa no wanko Therefore, Billy Chassa will call you Juman one call. A Billy Chassa would this can be seen one fancy. And then COVID-19 bay, we dress our man penny by bro. As I know where did he? A radio woman no more. Yes, you best ram no wa so obey soon. And now obey now obey chrono soon. And then yes, you best ram fear. Then maybe say our form ebusia yen to me shia ya no pastor mpo e just sorry am match na pupupa and na sorry na wa fa the canteen the can say square near the phone musika ehye e da table no so enwumre the church where ba akuna ka say onyankopo amaye ho meda nka me ma hu meda cause ofifi am match wo mo sorry obeba na o mada Ebusia then and they yetete yemba. And Nigeria form Yesu besra krono and the Adventist youth our aim, the aim of Adventist youth to the message to all the world in this generation. But it has turned upside down. And then the aim of the youth is to carry corpse to the cemetery. True of us. And now with the wife one car, I was all them with that. What is the district because you for that? If you conference because you for that. Just will be a woo. Hey, any a baking on hey, Calaba to ye. And I go here, my brother. Many other four, like yes, who bay a safono or ben chrono or soon. I saw the penny. Director, President, Elder, say yes, who bay a conference now. Obesu. So the director say yes, who bay with departmental. Obesu. I saw the penny say yes, who bay was suffer and now. Obesu. I was a penny a jar, yes, who bear with fear, Obesu. So Obesu dear, and then you don't pray. Conclude you maintain a you maintain. My sacred drain. If you say Revelation chapter 3, verse number 19, and this something to me and Sanchez Mudo Crone said, now do me do no, you won't tell, now me chew a so, anti bombarding a sacred wadre. I rather moame on wow. Baby, I told you no, I'll go to a year and ten no, import or chain so no, under me again sacra, they are shifted brain and true be so. And rather more on camera, on CC, a bread to see a yes to Babes Sraye, no. A bread some way, men no see CC, no buy your brain in them, or better mo, yen that ditty, and also near ditty. No, I catch it and say, and that day the inquagier about fear. And I demand quite brown fear. On my tenor be fear, on try a safumo, and try a man, or I yes to Christo demon. Amen.